How to return Temu items. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on View option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the Your Orders option. In here, make sure you are in the All Orders tab. You will be able to view all your ongoing and already shipped orders. Simply navigate to the product that you want to initiate for a return and further tap on the Return or Refund button. Now, select the items you would like to return and the reason for the return. Depending on the reason you selected, you may be required to provide further information related to your order. After you provide the required information, tap the Next Step button to proceed further. Now select your refund method. You may choose to receive your refund as a Temu credit balance or be credited back via your original payment method. Make sure your selection and click the Submit button. You will then have to choose a reason for why you are returning the product. Select a valid reason and further follow the instructions of packaging and delivering your product to the warehouse or the delivery location. After the warehouse receives the items and they pass the quality inspection, the refund will be issued. If you do not receive the refund afterwards, you can also contact Temu for further assistance. So, this is how you can return items on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.